Hey everyone, Jacob here from Gengras Volvo in East Hartford. Today we will be going over the user interface of the Volvo Cars App. This is the screen you will be greeted upon when you open up the app. Immediately you can see the title of your vehicle, where your vehicle is parked, as well as your vehicle range or how many miles you have until empty. From this home screen, you can see if your car is locked or running. You can lock or unlock your vehicle. And you can also pre-start your vehicle for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. Moving on to the next screen. Here you have your navigation. You can see exactly where your car is parked. And if you type in directions, let's say we wanted to go to Gengras Volvo in East Hartford, we do have this option over here, send to vehicle, which if I press that, this map and directions will show up directly on my S60's infotainment center console. So now if we slide over to the next tab, here we can see all vehicle maintenance reminders. Right now, everything looks good. We love to see it. If we click, we can check on the status of our brake fluid, light bulbs, service, and washer fluid. We can also see our average fuel consumption and odometer. With this button, you can search through the entire vehicle's manual. No need to hold on to those thick books anymore. Everything is completely digital. Then lastly, from this tab, you can get in contact with Volvo directly or get available roadside assistance 24/7. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Volvo Cars app. I'm sure you'll love it once you pick up your brand new Volvo here from Gengras Volvo in East Hartford.